Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to see how many people online in your Discord account. So let's go to Discord first. Log into your Discord account. Okay, after login you have to go here in direct message. Sorry, not here but here, direct message, this one. After going here you can see here all of your friends. Okay, here's the online status. So the green dot indicate online, and here's no green dot, that's mean it's offline. Okay, so guys, this is how you can see how many people online, or how to show online people right now. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.